Dude, what are you doing?
Oh, I seen something loose under here. Let me just get. Oh gosh!
Probably a month or so ago, I made a video showcasing the 2 things that I did to this truck. 2. Dose. 1, 2. I did to this truck. And it made this truck have just over the 600 wheel horsepower mark. Dyno proven. I made a video following that on the dyno showing you what the exact horsepower was. So yeah, long story short, 2 mods gave me over 600 wheel horsepower on my 2017 6.7 Powerstroke. There were comments on that video saying that it was fake, it was stupid, the dyno was rigged. We edited that way. This truck has more mods. It doesn't. It has 2 things. And we're gonna get into those 2 things today. Let's go. It's open. Yo.
Yo.
No. You step in dog poo?
No.
Dude, my truck is always eating washer fluid, like way too fast. Don't need that. No, it's not leaking.
Use it too much.
2-in-1 all season. 2 for $7, hot deal. I should probably get 2 since I use so much.
Yeah. Oh, look at this.
Dude.
5.5 horsepower right there.
5.5 horsepower.
See, team member. This here halogen bar.
Dude, I use like a stupid amount of windshield washer fluid. I don't know why I use so much. I put Rain-X on the windshield.
That shit works good.
I feel like once you go Rain-X,
Yeah, I know.
you can't go back. Like after using Rain-X and then not having Rain-X, it's bad. Like when you go real fast, like on the highway and it's raining, you don't even have to use your wipers.
I know.
Watch this. I'm gonna dump this everywhere.
Let's go.
Nailed it. I probably shouldn't have topped it off that full. All right, come check this out. Do you guys see that EGR cooler right there? So that is your EGR cooler. These are the crossover pipes that move your exhaust around. This is the whole entire cooler. So that is on the truck. This is a stock intake, not modded. Completely stock engine. I've never touched anything under the hood. You only need 2 mods on a 6.7 Powerstroke to get to 600 horsepower. No, that's wheel horsepower. That's not crank horsepower. This is actual wheel horsepower proven on the dyno, and it was actually a little more than 600. I think it was like 614. I'll insert the dyno clip now. This is 634. 634 and 1168. All right, guys. One of the 2 mods is this little gem right here. If I can open it. My God. This is one of the 2. EasyLink 2.0. This was what all the fuss was about. EasyLink, you know, quit making the EasyLink 1, and then they came out the EasyLink 2 and didn't have enough of these made, so they were on huge like back order and whatnot, but they are available now. Obviously, this doesn't give you the horsepower. This is the device used to get the tune onto your truck. Tuning is everything. So technically, I guess it's not this exact thing that is one of the mods. One of the mods would be tuning, and it is installed onto the truck with this EasyLink 2.0. Dude, the FedEx guy was just ripping.
Oh, busting a Yui.
All right. So, in realistic terms, tuning is legitimately everything when it comes to getting the max power out of your diesel. So first mod, tuning via EasyLink. Second mod. So second mod that you need to do is legitimately that right there. That is a muffler delete. Now muffler delete, I'm sure you know what that means. Retain the stock tailpipe, so it is coming from right there, as you can see where it pulls together, up over the axle, all stock. Still has that little resonator right there. That aspect is completely stock. There's just the muffler delete, which I just showed you there. So mod number 1, EasyLink with great tuning. Mod number 2, muffler delete. That is legitimately the only 2 things that I have done on this truck. You've seen the intake, you've seen the EGR still on the truck, but we even did a dyno video showing the exact horsepower number that this truck will make to the wheels. So I just wanted to recap today the exact 2 mods. It's just tuning, and you got to get rid of your muffler. I mean, I'm sure you guys know what the muffler is. Everyone still asks, oh, is the DPF on there? Is the DPF still on there? Muffler delete for like legal purposes. But literally you can see EGR still in the truck, stock intake is still on the truck. I will cut to the dyno one more time right here. This is 634. 634 and 1168. It literally made, I think it was like 6, hold on, let me get the sheet. All right, my dyno sheet. Not much correction either. You can see it's kind of, you can see the graph. 614 horsepower, 1132 torque. 614 horsepower at 2850 RPM. I mean, this is legit. I mean, we didn't make this up. Anyone out there who has a 6.7 Powerstroke, if you want to do this to your truck, the tuning matters. You can't just go get any EasyLink with whoever's tunes. Tuning 100% plays a key role in putting out this kind of power, and also making sure that it's safe and reliable to run. Every single one of these tunes has complete individual transmission tuning to make sure that you have maximum safety and performance out of the transmission. But usually on these trucks, if they're done right, the transmission is the last piece to really let go. Dude, someone is cracking up over there.
We should go film them. Is it around the building, or is it right over there?
I think it might be around. It's like echoing off the sides. So guys, seriously, tuning is really plays a key part of making this kind of power. If you want one of these kits for your 6.7 Powerstroke, it's a stage 1 kit. The link will be in the description below. Click the link, get yourself one, and give her a full rip. All right guys, so 600 horsepower modification. You gotta make sure your windshield washer fluid's topped off, tip top.